we are given three vertices of a triangle. But in all these three vertices, there is an integer k. K comma minus 3k is one vertex, 5 comma k is another vertex, minus k comma 2 is the third vertex. Now the area of this triangle is equal to 28 square units. Then what is the center of this triangle? Right. So area is already given. So let's try to find area of this triangle, and that would be a function of k. Then we'll try to solve for this k and find out what is the k. Once k is found, then let us try to create the center of this triangle. Right. So area of this triangle, how do you calculate area of this triangle? Area of this triangle, we'll write all the three vertices, k comma minus 3x, that is this one, and 5 comma k, and minus k comma 2, and again the first vertex we will repeat it. So what is the area of this triangle? Half times this multiplication. What is the multiplication? K into k square minus 5 into minus 3x, that is plus 15x, plus 5 into 2 minus k into k, that is 10 minus of minus k square, that is 10 plus k square. Again plus minus k into minus 3k, that is 3k square, minus 2 into k minus 2k, that is this one. So which is nothing but 3k square, 3k square, k square, plus 15k, this 15k plus 10 k square and 3k square minus 2k k square and 3k square. This should be equal to half of this is equal to 28. That means this expression should be equal to plus or minus 56, which is, if we simplify this, 3 plus 1 plus 1 5k square plus 15 minus 2 13 plus 10 should be equal to plus or minus 56. That means we are getting two equations, 5k square plus 13x minus 66 equal to 0, and 5k square plus 13x minus 46 equals to 0. And because k is an integer, we are getting, solving this equation, we are getting k equals to 2. Right. Now what does that mean? The vertices are 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 2. Fantastic. We found what are the vertices. Now we have to find what is the orthocenter. Right. What are the three vertices? Minus 2 comma 2. Right. Minus 2 comma 2, 5 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 6. It looks like this. 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 2. So minus 2 comma 2 and 5 comma 2, this line is actually parallel to x-axis. What does that mean? Perpendicular to this will be parallel to y-axis. Right. A line drawn from this vertex, perpendicular drawn from A to BC, will be parallel to y-axis. Obviously, that means the equation of this line is x equals to 2. Right. Because it is perpendicular to x-axis, x equal to 2. So one of the altitude we know, x equals to 2. Let us try to create altitude of another one. Let's say, for example, equation of from vertex C. Right. So one point we know, what is the slope of this line? We want perpendicular from this point to this line CD. Right. Slope of this line is 2 minus 6 by 5 minus 2. That is this one. Right. 2 minus 6 by 5 minus 2. So that is the slope of this line. Obviously, slope of this line would be minus 1 by this, because product of this slope and product of slope of AB and slope of CD should be equal to minus 1. So slope of CD should be equal to minus 1 by slope of AB, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2 minus 6 by 5 minus 2. Right. So y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus x1. Right. That is x plus 2. Right. If you simplify this equation, it will become 3x plus 8y minus 10, which is equal to 0. Right. So now that is this equation CD, 3x plus 8y minus 10 equals to 0. We want this point Z, that is the orthocenter, because orthocenter is the meeting point of altitudes. One altitude is this, another altitude is this. X equal to 2 and 3x plus 8y minus 10 equals to 0. If you just substitute x equals to 2 here, 3 into 2 6 plus 8y minus 10 equals to 0. So 8y should be equal to 4. So y should be equal to half. So x equal to 2, y equals to half, that is this point, 2 and half. 2 and half, that is this point. So this is the correct answer. Right. The orthocenter of this triangle is 2 comma half. What we have done, first we have calculated the area of this triangle. Right. Because they are given 3 points and we found out x. Once we found out x, we found out all the three vertices, and we realized one of the altitudes is actually parallel to y-axis, and we created another altitude and solved both the altitudes to get our orthocenter. Like this. Thank you.